Hello friends, welcome back to sakalvidya.com. So today we are going to discuss one of the important topic, that is relationship between Young's modulus, shear modulus and bulk modulus along with Poisson's ratio. So before that, let us see what is Young's modulus, what is shear modulus, what is bulk modulus. So after that, let us go for this relation between them. The first thing, that is Young's modulus or modulus of elasticity. So what is meant by Young's modulus, which is denoted with capital E? Simply, it is nothing but it's a ratio of stress by strain. It's a ratio of stress by strain. So E is equal to stress divided by strain, which is nothing but the units for Young's modulus is Newton per mm square or Newton per meter square. The second one, that is shear modulus. So in some books it is written as G, C and even N. So G, C and N denotes shear modulus. Let us see what is shear modulus. So shear modulus is defined as it is a ratio of shear stress by shear strain, shear stress by shear strain. So again the units will be Newton per mm square or Newton per meter square. So what is shear modulus? Shear modulus is nothing but it's a ratio of shear stress by shear strain. The last one, that is bulk modulus. So it is denoted with K. So this concept of bulk modulus even we are going to study in our fluid mechanics or hydraulics. The basic properties of fluid, there also we are going to study this bulk modulus. So here let us see what is the meaning of bulk modulus. So bulk modulus is nothing but it's a ratio of direct stress to the volumetric strain. It's a ratio of direct stress to the volumetric strain. So my dear students, direct stress is nothing but sigma, whereas volumetric strain is nothing but sigma V by B. So in some books here is also written as minus. So where minus sign indicates there is a change in the shape of the structure or dimension of the structure. So now let us see what is the relationship between them. So this question is very important. So the relationship between Young's modulus versus shear modulus versus bulk modulus versus Poisson's ratio. So very important question. So let us see what is the relationship between Young's modulus, bulk modulus and Poisson's ratio. So Young's modulus is equal to 3 times of bulk modulus multiplied with 1 minus 2 into mu. So where E is nothing but Young's modulus, K is nothing but bulk modulus, mu is nothing but Poisson's ratio. Let us write as equation 1. So now let us see what is the relationship between Young's modulus versus shear modulus versus Poisson's ratio. So here Young's modulus is equal to 2 times of G multiplied with 1 plus mu. Let us write as equation 2. Let us write as equation 2. So what is the relationship between Young's modulus, shear modulus and Poisson's ratio? It is nothing but E is equal to 2 times of shear modulus is multiplied with 1 plus mu. So from equation 1 and equation 2 we are going to derive one more relation. So from equation 1 is equal to equation 2. So what is our equation 1, which is nothing but Young's modulus is equal to Young's modulus. So according to our first equation, what is our formula for that? 3k times of 1 minus 2 mu is equal to, from equation 2, what is our equation 2? So 2g times of 1 plus mu. Let us multiply and check what we are going to get. So 3k minus 6k mu is equal to 2g plus 2g mu. Let us rearrange the terms. So 3k minus 2g is equal to, so this 6k mu goes to the right hand side, then it becomes 2g mu plus 6k mu. So here mu is common, so 3k minus 2g is equal to mu times of 2g plus 6k. So mu is equal to 3k minus 2g divided by 6k plus 2g. So what is the relationship between mu, bulk modulus, and shear modulus, which is nothing but mu is equal to 3k minus 2g divided by 6k plus 2g. So this is a formula to derive mu. So definitely this question is very important. So you may get a question based upon this relation among Young's modulus versus shear modulus versus bulk modulus versus mu. సో ఈ సెట్కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ దీనికి చాలా ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇవ్వండి. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఈవెన్ ఏఈలో కూడా దీని మీద చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయండి. రిలేషన్ మీద చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయి. దీన్ని జాగ్రత్తగా ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ని బై హార్ట్ చేయండి. సో దిస్ రిలేషన్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.